Hey everyone, I'm Ray.
And I'm Rod.
And we have some very exciting news to share with you.
Yes, we do. Lovesac Australia is evolving.
What to?
Lovesac.
Say that again.
Lovesac.
That's right. As of 1st of May 2019, Lovesac Australia will now be rebranded as Lovesac.
And we want to take this opportunity to thank all of our family and friends out there who've been a valuable part of our journey over the last 15 years. And that family includes many of you out there, both customers and members of the community who've been integral to our growth and identity.
That's right, and this marks the beginning of a next step in providing new product, a greater online presence, an easier online shopping experience, and wider distribution, while seeking to foster sustainable measures that benefit everyone.
For existing Lovesac Australia customers, your details and warranties will now be managed under the Lovesac brand.
And Lovesac will remain an Australian-made product by an Australian-owned and operated company. For more details, you can go to our website, lovesac.com.au. You can also look in the comment section below to find all the links to our new social networks. And if you have any specific inquiries, you can contact us at hq@lovesac.com.au.
So that's it. Welcome to Lovesac. We make the comfort. The rest is yours.